GM, this is your daily Solana ecosystem news. Token 2022 standard will be known as a different name. Go and vote here. Thus far, it's Super Token. And of course, the side effect of something called Super Token is someone creates a token. It launched yesterday, went crazy, and now it's come down. Meanwhile, the price of Sol is $47.66. The Reavers have burnt $434,000 worth of booty. The next tokenized Pokemon cards, they're going live. You can go and buy a sweeps ticket now for 0.07 Sol. There's 3,000 tickets and only 100 will actually get the pack. Remember to check your wallets for the Pith airdrop. You can't claim it yet, so anyone that says you can, they're scamming you. I'm starting to see more posts on Mad Lads and their exchange. Bonk's market cap has exceeded 70 million. It's gone up 900% almost in 30 days. And if you want a degen, you can long or short it on Drift. MarginFi has now done $11 billion in lending volume. And if you like NFT-Fi, then check out this from RainFi, a guide on creating a lending pool. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.